अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। 11 things you should say to your kids every single day। 11 चीज़ें हैं जो आपको अपने बच्चे को हर दिन कहनी चाहिए। What are they? Let's see। वो क्या है, देखते हैं। You can do it। You can do it। It is a sentence, it is just a sentence, but ये सिर्फ sentence है, but it motivate your student, it is motivate your son or daughter to do something। ये हौसला बढ़ाता है ये जुमला आपके बच्चे का। If you say to your kids, if you say to your children, you can do it, so I think this is the good sentence to say every single day, okay? Because whenever whatever your son do, you have to appreciate। आपको उसको हौसला अफजाई करनी चाहिए कि वो क्या कर रहा है। So this second thing, you are strong, don't give up। You know, your child is studying, your child is reading, your child is writing, so you can say this। जब आपका बच्चा लिख रहा हो, जब आपका बच्चा पढ़ रहा हो, सो आप उसको कह सकते हैं you are strong, don't give up। You are strong, don't give up। तुम बहुत स्ट्रांग हो, हार मत मानो, हार मत मानो। तुम काफ़ी ताकतवर हो, तुम बहुत हौसले वाले हो, तुम हार मत मानो। क्योंकि हर चीज़ रोज़ाना करने से इंसान क्या हो जाता है, बेजार हो जाता है। सो you should say like this, you are strong, don't give up, okay? And do with your kids, do with your children, solve their things, solve their do their works, उनके काम करें, but to motivate them, but don't do their homeworks, okay? But उनके homeworks मत कीजिएगा, घर के स्कूल का काम। So it's up to your child to do homework, okay? कि उनका काम है होमवर्क करना, आपका नहीं। I trust you। Realize your child, you trust on your child, so you have to say this, I trust you। मुझे तुम पर यकीन है। I trust you। मुझे तुम पर यकीन है। So when your child realize that you trust on him or her, कि आप उस पर यकीन करते हो, so he will work hard honestly, he will work hard effectively। So I think this is the good sentence to say every single day। ये बहुत अच्छा जुमला है कहने के लिए अपने बच्चे को, I trust you। और ये बातें, इनमें से कुछ ऐसे जुमले हैं जिसे आपने रियलाइज़ कराना है। You have to realize them, not only say them। आपने कहना ही नहीं है, उनको महसूस कराना है। How did your day go? How did your day go? When you sit with your child, when you sit with your children, so you can ask a question, how did your day go? आपका दिन कैसा गया, तुम्हारा दिन कैसा गुजरा। So this is fantastic question you can ask, okay? So please ask this question from your child, because children are waiting for your question। Children are waiting for for you just to talk with you। बच्चे आपका इंतज़ार कर रहे होते हैं आपसे बात करने के लिए. सो जस्ट टेक 5 minutes or take 12 minutes or take 10 minutes. Give 10 minutes to your child, only 10 minutes. If you don't have much time, just give 10 minutes. Or don't ask daily, just realize them. Oh, what did you do, what did your day go, how did sorry, how did your day go, आपका दिन कैसे गया, तुम्हारा दिन कैसे गुजरा, what did you do all the day, तुमने क्या किया, how was your day, तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा. So these are sentences you can ask like this. What, how was your day, how did your day go. So you have to ask like this, you have to change your question, but that question is the same question but you are asking from different way. सवाल वही रहेगा लेकिन तरीक़ेकार पूछने का चेंज हो जाता है. सही है. So it's really good. I am on your side, I am on your side. This sentence you shouldn't say to your child. You have to realize them. You have to make realize them. Okay. So how can you realize them? आप कैसे उन्हें ये महसूस करा सकते हैं you are on their sides, आप उनकी तरफ हैं. So just like you have to play with your kids, whenever your kids speak truth, appreciate. When your child tell a lie, just tell him her their mistakes, his her mistakes. Just tell the mistakes and hug your kids and say to your kids, I am on your side, I'm your papa, I'm your daddy, I'm your mother, I am on your side. मैं तुम्हारा वालिद हूँ, मैं तुम्हारी वालदा हूँ, मैं तुम्हारी तरफ हूँ. सो आपको रियलाइज़ भी कराना है और आपको बोलना भी है. Not only say this line but also realize. Okay. महसूस भी कराना है. Make them realize. Okay. आपको उनको एहसास भी दिलाना है कि आप उनकी साइड है. I am on your side. My son, I am on your side. My daughter, my lovely daughter, I am on your side. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ हूँ. देखो, जब तुम्हारा बच्चा साइकिल चलाता है सबसे पहले, या कोई अच्छा काम करता है या पोजीशन लाता है, सो यू हैव टू से I am proud of you, my son. I am proud of you, my daughter. You have to say this. You have to appreciate your student. You have, oh sorry, student बोल दिया. Sorry to say student, son or daughter. Okay, so because I'm used to it, so that's why I'm using student. Okay, so I'm proud of you. मुझे तुम पर फ़ख्र है. You have to say this to your kids. You have to say this to your children. आपको ये अपने बच्चे को कहना चाहिए. Everything will be okay. ओके की दो स्पेलिंग है, एक ओके ओके और एक OKAY ओके. ओके, सो बोथ आर सेम. ओके, इट्स just a spelling. Okay, everything will be okay. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. When your child is crying, when your child is not going to anywhere or afraid of anything, so you can say everything will be okay. You just try, you just go, I'm with you, everything will be okay, I'm proud of you. So these are very simple, common. जब भी चोट लगे तो आप उसका हौसला बढ़ाएं. Everything will be okay. When get hurt, so you have to say everything will be okay. So हर thing have everything. Okay. One mistake is this: it's not a thing, it's a thing. It's not a thing. 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 Sorry to did mistake, because when I wrote, I didn't see. Now I realized my mistake. मुझे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ. Everything. THING. thing. चीज़ें. will be okay. हर चीज़ ठीक हो जाएगी, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ मेंशन दैट इज़ नॉट थिंग, दैट इज़ अ थिंग. ओके, ये सोच नहीं है, ये चीज़ें हैं. ओके, हर चीज़ ठीक हो जाएगी. थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी. थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी. थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी. शुक्रिया मेरी मदद करने के लिए. when your child is with you, are working with you, are helping you, so you have to say your child, thank you for helping me. शुक्रिया मदद करने के लिए, मेरा शुक्रिया मदद करने के लिए. Okay, what would you do? What would you do? You can ask like this: what is your aim? What will you do? What would you do? So these are the question you are asking to, you should ask to your child. ये सवाल है जो आपको अपने बच्चों से पूछने चाहिए कि वो क्या करना चाहता है, वो क्या करेगा, उसका फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है. What is your future plan? What is your aim? What is your goal? So you have to ask whenever you are free. You are sitting with your son, you are sitting with your daughter, so ask this question: what is your plan? What would you do? What is your future plan? What is your goal? What is your aim? आपका मकसद क्या है? आपका जहन क्या कहता है करने को? आप क्या करना चाहते हो? What is your plan? आपका प्लान क्या है? तुम फ्यूचर में क्या बनना चाहते हो? What will be, or what would you like to be? आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? So that's really cool. This is very important question. This is very important. You should say to your children, this is very important. Please tell your children to worship and pray. It doesn't mean you tell your children. It means you should pray, you should worship to your God in front of your child. You should worship to your God in front of your kids, or pray in front of your kids. If he see you, so he or she will definitely worship or pray. आप अगर उसके सामने इबादत करेंगे और दुआएं करेंगे अल्लाह से या अपने रब से, सो जब ही तो उसे पता चलेगा कि इबादत भी कोई चीज़ है. जब आप करेंगे ही नहीं तो उसे कैसे पता चलेगा? If you don't read Bible in front of your kid, if you don't recite the Holy Quran in front of your kids, if you don't read Gita in front of your kids, so how your kids know that's what is your religion, and what should he do, कि उसे क्या करना चाहिए? I'm telling you honestly. I'm not telling only because I'm Muslim. I'm telling you no, because this is very important question to make them realize to worship your God or pray to your God in front of your kids, and make them realize your son should also pray with you. Your son should also worship to God with you. आपके बच्चे को भी आपके साथ इबादत करनी चाहिए और दुआ करनी चाहिए. As a teacher, I'm saying to everyone, I'm not talking about my religion, because what is your religion, you have to do. Okay? So don't forget to do this. This is very important. And always say, don't say anything to other religion. किसी और religion के बारे में कुछ गलत ना कहो. Don't hate any religion or religious, okay? Because when you hate someone, it will show negative sign. So please don't show negative sign in front of your kids, okay? And the last thing, the most important thing, you have to say to your kids, I love you. This sentence is very simple, common, but you have to make realize, okay? Because if you say I love you, it is meaningless. It is meaningless. If you say to anyone I love you, it is meaningless if you don't show your love. अगर आप अपना प्यार नहीं शो करेंगे और just you say I love you, so it doesn't it doesn't work, okay? ये काम नहीं करेगा. But if you go with if you take your son to the park, if you take your daughter to the park, to park, if you go somewhere with your children and uh, play with your kids, give them some time, not the whole time, not half hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You should give only 15 or 20 or 30 minutes. I know life is very busy, but you have to spend little bit time with your kids. Make them realize that you love them. So whenever every day, every single day, you have to say I love you. Just not say this word, also make them realize. ये सिर्फ आपने कहना ही नहीं है, उनको महसूस भी कराना है. By giving a gift, by buying something for your kids, by making you child again. When you make yourself child in front of your kids, so it will be effect on your kids, and your kids, your son, your daughter will be your friend. If you try to make them laugh, if you try to sit with them, if you try to make a friend, okay? If you try to friendship with them, so it's very easy. You have to do this. You have to say I love you. I'm your papa, I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm your mom, I'm your dad, I love you. This is very important. So this is my first son. You can see in the first row, here is my son, the elder son, Suleiman Tariq. Pray for him. And in the second row, he was my son named Muzammil Tariq, and died when he was 8 months old. Date 10 April 2016, he died. So I hope you enjoy. Take care and pray for my kids, pray for my wife, pray for my family, pray for my parents, because they are my everything. They are everything for me. My parents are everything for me because they brought me up. उन्होंने मुझे बचपन से जवानी तक पाला. So my parents are lovely parents in the world, and I request you to pray for my parents. मैं दरख्वास्त करूँगा कि मेरे वालिदैन के लिए दुआ करें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. टेक केयर. खुश रहें. और ये जो मैंने रूल्स बताए हैं, प्लीज़ अप्लाई इन योर डेली लाइफ. ये चीज़ें अपनी ज़िंदगी पे अप्लाई करें रोज़ाना, और इट विल वेरी हेल्पफुल to your kids it will very helpful to you also. Okay, so Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye. Don't forget to smile, मुस्कुराना मत भूलिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.